Hey man, guess what? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Young Zay, aka Chill with Isaiah, and we back for another video. Alright, check this out. Look, today I'm doing stuff again. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. I'm taking y'all with me. You dig. Alright, you can feel this acceleration.
You're not even going that fast either. That's the funny part.
I'm only doing 90.
Bitch, what?
Y'all messing with this new Bieber though? By the way, my foot's on the floor, and we're only doing 40. 45.
Doing 10.
Dang. I'm telling you, this car got like 30 horsepower. But that 30 horsepower do be kicking us back though, you know what I'm saying?
Slow, we getting thrown back though.
It is slow, but shit, no, pause on that. Hold up. Pause.
Oh, fuck! Is that a cop?
I'm only doing 10, so. That new TK?
Free Santana, man. Free J-Rock, free Sticky, free Pippins, man. You was on some off shit. I was cruising down a nigga block with the chopstick. Rockstar nigga. Now I need a rock bitch. We want beef, not veggies, not squash bitch. That boy like to talk. We talk out with mobs. You gon' shoot a little.
We gon' shoot a lot.
I rock out with the chop, bitch. I rock very hard. She thought it was my cock, but my clock very hard.
Oh, no.
Chocolate.
I really thought that was marijuana. I really did when I first got it.
They actually use that to. Now you tell me, how does that look like marijuana?
I meant the color. Like you walk in, I didn't like.
They use that to make marijuana.
Yeah, exactly. How you feel?
You said the plant.
I just say the plant. Get on my face.
Here I go again. I'm about to be the first one to die, and that's on Black Jesus. Hey, look. Yeah. So I'm about to play Fortnite, and I'm finna die. I'ma be #1, and you know why.
Hey,
I am kinda trash. They gon' kick my-
yeah.
boy, you already- boy, I'm gonna get tilted. And I guarantee I'm gonna be the first one to die. and
Where
that's-
you finna land? You ain't got no plan.
I'm gonna go to Tilted, and I'm freaking stand.
Yeah, you gonna catch those hands. You gonna die quick. Hey,
That didn't rhyme. and
I know.
that's kinda-
I thought you were gonna run to that. Never mind. You kind of.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you dying. Us solo.
there's too many people landing down there.
Do not land by that chest. If you would do, you're gonna die. Trust.
Oh,
Yeah. There's a gun right there. Get that. Get that shotty.
And there's a hanger
Yeah.
there too.
And there's somebody like that. Somebody right there. And there's somebody still around there. Oh my god. It just break down.
You just gonna sit there the whole time.
You gonna stay up there? Somebody gonna build up to you and kill you?
Oh my god. That's tough.
You say chicken connection, bro.
He's like, you play the 84.
know, ladies always say, get you a man that cook. That's why they got me working the grill. You know what I'm saying? Look at this bullshit. Ooh, that mess hot. Hold on, wait a second. Let me open this. Let me open this up. See what this looking like. You know what I'm saying? Your boy out here chefing. Oh wait. Oh, okay. I'm first letting you know. Woo! You know what I'm saying? This is regular. Your boy, you know what I'm saying? Call me Chef Zay in the building. You know what I'm saying? Your boy out here really cooking, man. You know what I'm saying? It's too hot to be doing this. But I'm doing it anyway. You know what I'm saying? Get you a man that know how to cook, that know how to season, and will treat you right. You know what I'm saying? I'm single, but I know who I want. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man. Look, tell me that don't look delicious. I know y'all want some. Man, oh man. When I tell you that this gonna be fire, this gonna be fire. Take it from me. A real cook. Who is Chef Gordon Ramsay? I don't know. I don't know what Chef Isaiah Ramsay. What is he talking about? No, I'm not. I know y'all here doing this. Woo. Do what you gotta do for your ladies. What's good?
Oh, man.
I know.
Okay, stop vlogging.
I think she had a good day because she came in hella smiling. She was just,
She's usually Hulk.
she's always like, but she came in just
What?
open,
Hey.
close. If you don't smile like Madeline when you see your boyfriend, I don't want you. Cause she be big cheesing.
Some good luck right now.
We got Chef Rozzy in the building cooking up some freaking pasta. This is y'all's drum major, you know what I'm saying? Y'all drum major in here cooking. He getting ready for tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no more fun with food. It's fun with Rozzy. Pause on that. Yo, if you microwave your phone, like it charges fully.
Yeah, watch. Look.
Look back, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm about to microwave y'all, so.
Look.
Damn, almost cooked y'all. Y'all are just like white cops shooting at the black people. That's freaking racist. I'm not really a pasta guy. And last time we came here, we had pasta too. So you're just gonna assume that because I'm black, I like chicken.
You said it yourself. Your words, not mine.
You right though.